In this video, I'll show you how to copy Instagram profile link. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if your friends, your family, or your colleagues wants to actually see your Instagram, right? You can just copy your Instagram link and share to them, maybe your friends, your family, anyone. So I'm gonna walk you through what you need to do, right, for you to be able to get your Instagram profile link. So as you can share to your friends, your family, and the people you want to share with, right? So if you head over to Instagram, right, you're going to right click your mouse. If you right click your mouse, you're going to see this copy link address, right? So you're going to click on it. You have copied your Instagram profile link. Then you can share to your friends, your family, anyone who want to share to, right? So if I head over to my other browser, if I click on this ad right now, right, if I paste this, click on this, right, you can see that my Instagram profile is gonna appear right now. So you can see this is basically how you can copy your Instagram profile link, right? Maybe you want to share to family, to friends, and anyone. So this is how you can easily do that. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.